So if you are struggling with trading right now, feel like nothing is working, you are losing confidence, losing money, and questioning yourself every day, I want you to listen very closely. Whoever became profitable has been right where you are. So you are not failing, you are developing. Okay? So trading isn't supposed to feel comfortable in the beginning. It exposes your emotions and fear, greed, ego, and doubt. The market isn't testing your strategy, rather, it's testing your discipline. Okay? So you think you are late, or you think you are behind. You are not. You are just learning what most people give up on. Okay? Why you are struggling? Let's ask ourselves that question. Let me tell you the truth nobody says. You don't lose because the market is unfair. You lose because you trade emotionally. That's the first one. The second one, because you chase trades instead of waiting for your setups. Okay? Next thing is you want fast results instead of building a skill. Trading is all about building a skill, not a overnight rich get scheme. So next thing, you risk too much trying to catch up. Okay, you always use a lot of lot size because you want to get quick rich, which is not in trading. There is what we call the shift in trading. The day trading changes for you is when you stop trying to get rich fast, okay, and start responding and respecting the craft. So here's what you do now. First, trade small. Second, review your mistakes weekly. Third, journal your setups. And the fourth one, focus on one strategy. Okay? So, you don't need more wins right now. You need clarity, discipline, and patience. If you have that, that's what matters. Okay? So remember this. The market rewards those who can stay calm when everyone else reacts emotionally. Okay? Your breakthrough doesn't come from a new indicator. It comes from controlling your soul. So, just know you are closer than you think. Don't quit on the process. Just know the process is just shaping you. So, if this message hit you, you are meant for this journey. Comment, I'm not quitting. Lock it in you mentally. So like, subscribe, and stay disciplined. Your breakthrough is loading. Bye.